Hello my friends, and welcome back to the rabbit hole, and welcome to my updated for 2024 review on the brand Sulwhasoo. I am unbelievably excited for today's video. This is not only a luxury Korean skincare brand, but this is a brand that I first reviewed 5 years ago-ish. And listen, I hate my original video at this point. YouTubers always hate our old videos, but I still love Sulwhasoo. And what's funny about this is this video came out in 2019, 2020. This was an era where you didn't recommend products with fragrance or with alcohol, or you were gonna have so many people in your comment section saying, "How dare you recommend products that will destroy people's skin?" It's 2024 now, and we have come such a long way in terms of people understanding that perspectives like alcohol in skincare is bad or fragrance in skincare is bad are their opinions. So as you can guess, we have a lot to talk about in today's video, and I know this is a big and kind of overwhelming brand, so there's a few things I want to let you know before we get into this video. First of all, this is a really big brand in Korea. In the US, some stores carry this, for example, Sephora, but it's a much more limited line. For example, Sulwhasoo actually has, by the way, amazing cushions and lipsticks, but we don't have those at Sephora. And I am going to be focusing on mostly the products that are available in the US, just simply for accessibility reasons. We are going to do a PM routine and an AM routine, with the PM routine being Sulwhasoo's classic line, the classic ginseng line that they are most known for. That is a line that is recommended for those who are 30s and up, and our AM routine will be the balancing routine that is recommended for 20s and up. Of course, only a Sith deals in absolutes, so please know you can always use whatever skincare you want. I will not be reviewing the Time Treasure line because, your guess is correct. Nor the new S line. I'm intrigued by that one, and I will tell you, I just saw some mini sizes pop up on the Yesstyle website, but we're not there yet. One final note here, so I do have full sizes of some of these products. We, however, are going to use, we're not gonna use cookies on our face. It's my tin. It's my Sulwhasoo tin, which is actually better than cookies. Some of you already know. I'm gonna use all minis in these two routines, and I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, I think there's way too much of a stigma against minis on YouTube. I don't understand it. We all know that no product is for everyone, so why not sample before you commit to the full size? Not to mention, my dear friends, you might want to calculate the price per ounce of the full sizes compared to the minis that you can buy on Yesstyle and Stylevana. I will link those websites in the description box below, as well as my discount codes if you would like to, I don't know, just take a peek. So let's go ahead and get into the routines and the updated reviews, starting with the ginseng line. We are doing a PM routine with these, so we're gonna start with a double cleanse. And I really like that we're starting the reviews here, because this gentle cleansing oil is something where, personally, I don't really buy this one. Yeah, we just talked about one of my favorites, the Haru Haru cleansing oil. I love that, and yet, I have spoken to people who have said this Sulwhasoo cleansing oil is the best cleansing oil they've ever tried in their life. Are people just lying for funsies, or is there something actually different about Sulwhasoo's cleansing oil? It's different. And you can see this in the ingredients. You know, usually cleansing oils are some kind of oils blended with gentle surfactants. While this is using such gentle cleansing agents, it's a next level formula. And yet it's incredibly effective at removing makeup. It feels very gentle, and it still features some of those ginseng-based ingredients. Do I think you have to spend that much on this product? No, and I do not have a full size of this personally, but I get it. I see why some people really enjoy this product. And honestly, it's the same with Sulwhasoo's Gentle Cleansing Foam for me personally. I see the appeal, but for me, I've talked about this so much on this channel, I actually really like my affordable cleansers. I am not complaining, my skin occasionally likes some rather expensive products, but not with cleanser. With cleanser, it likes to go affordable. Still, this is a really well done Korean cleansing foam. A lot of the Korean cleansers that I've tried are a little bit more harsh. This one does lean more gentle. It's got that great hanbang smell. If you are somebody who is a bit more sensitive and nervous about the fragrance, you might want to try it in some kind of a washed-off product. This is a great option. So for me, the double cleansing options didn't stick. I don't continue to repurchase these, but I just got these as a gift with purchase from Sephora. They had a great July 4th gift set. Did any of you get that? You know I picked that. You want to give me a gift with purchase of these? I will take it. We are now moving into the leave-ons, which is where things are going to get so exciting. Starting with, I know this is a bit counterintuitive, but a serum. The first step after cleansing is a serum. Yes, I know, it's not what we've heard to do, but go with it for the best results. You will thank me later. This is Sulwhasoo's best-selling product. It has recently been updated. And what this product does is immediately after cleansing, you apply this and it boosts your barrier for better absorption of everything you apply afterwards. In addition to increasing absorption, boosting the skin's barrier, Sulwhasoo also claims that this helps to address 10 different signs of aging. This one to me is very worth the hype. I think this is a fantastic place to start if you are curious about this brand. It's their bestseller for a reason. They are proud of this new formulation for a reason. And I think personally, I actually do think this is even better than the last version. After using that serum, I'm going to move on to the concentrated ginseng renewing serum. This is where we can really start talking about Sulwhasoo's research into ginseng. Now, we've talked a lot on this channel about how plants have compounds within them, and it's those compounds within the plant that are often responsible for the activity of a plant extract on our skin. In the case of ginseng, we believe there are several compounds responsible for the immensely long list of benefits that ginseng may offer. One of which is compound K, and what you have to keep in mind is that Sulwhasoo doesn't just stop with saying, hey look, we found this exciting constituent of ginseng that helps explain the activity of ginseng. They don't stop there. They work to give you highly concentrated products containing those compounds. Yes, this is why this line is called the concentrated ginseng line. And I wholeheartedly believe this is why people see more benefits from Sulwhasoo in contrast to some of the more affordable ginseng alternatives. They really are very different. Not all plant extracts are created equally. It is so important to understand that. Now, getting back to this product contains these capsules within the serum that burst open as you massage this into your skin. So not only do you have this concentrated ginseng ingredient, but you also have other proven ingredients like niacinamide, retinol, you have some peptides in here. This is truly a beautiful product. Now, I want you to know, I don't think you necessarily have to have this product. There are other fantastic products out there like retinoids. Retinoids are some of the most proven anti-aging ingredients. There are affordable options, and of course there is prevention through wearing sunscreen. So I don't want anyone to feel like you have to buy this very expensive serum. I think it lives up to all of its claims, and you even see this in Sulwhasoo's own research. They did an 8-week study on this product with 38 to 45-year-olds. I am paraphrasing from memory, but I remember they saw a 20% reduction in wrinkles, and I believe it. The bottom line with this serum being, if the price tag doesn't bother you at all, I do not think you will be disappointed by the results. Moving on to the concentrated ginseng renewing cream, I want to make sure to clarify something because this is kind of a confusing one. There's actually a version that's made for dry skin and a version that is made for all skin types. The one for all skin types feels less heavy on. They look so similar. The only difference is this one word, classic. That's it, this one word. I've tried both, I like both, but I do think that dry skin types probably do want to look for that word classic. This is the moisturizer pairing for that serum. It is absolutely a beautiful product, one where you really get that rich hanbang scent from this while you get those incredible ginseng ingredients. Remember, it is true no matter what price point you are talking about that the only must-haves in a skincare routine are cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. So I do think a lot of people just kind of buy the moisturizer and stick with this. And because it is such a rich texture, so rich in its formulation, I do think that even with just this moisturizer, you could see amazing results. There's a lot of good moisturizers out there. This is really one that is a nice option if you want to splurge. It's another one where I just don't think you'll be disappointed if the price point doesn't bother you. But if it does, I don't think it will be life-changing. Let's end this PM routine with a product that is actually a lot more on the affordable side. This is the Overnight Vitalizing Mask. It hasn't been reformulated, but it is in new packaging, and this is, of course, the small size here, but this is probably my most repurchased Sulwhasoo product, because in spite of me saying several times through this video that some of these products are quite expensive, this one, in terms of price per ounce, even if you buy it at Sephora, it's really not expensive. You use this after your PM skincare routine as the final step before going to bed, and it'll last you a very long time because it is 4 fluid ounces of product. I've said for years about this one, you can look at this ingredients list and it's just not ever gonna look impressive. It just doesn't. It looks kind of awful, actually. But you talk to anybody who's tried this, and we all just can't help but say, somehow it's really a good product. Somehow it really hydrates, it really plumps, it really brightens your skin overnight. Will it be for everyone? No. Nothing ever is, but is it a great product that delivers results for most people? I would say so. So that was our mostly the concentrated ginseng line PM routine. I do love that my 2 favorites from that are the not concentrated ginseng line. But again, that's simply because this is a very expensive line. Yes, I do think you could like it, but only if you don't mind the price point. So let's move on to the mostly essential balancing line. Now with this line, the focus is improving the barrier. You know, healthy skin should always be the goal, no matter your age. Now I personally don't always wash my face in the morning, so I skipped that for this routine and went right in with the essential balancing water. This is such a wild toner to use. Look at it. It looks like water, but it's thicker than water. It's alien water. Alien water that is extremely nourishing and hydrating for your skin. I admit that this one has my least favorite smell, and it is kind of strong. In the intro of this video, I said that my old video was me lamenting how can these products have fragrance and alcohol and work so well, and I'm still doing that. I'm still doing that. I think it's because formulation might actually be that important. Then moving on to my sample size of the Balancing Emulsion. An emulsion is a more lightweight moisturizer, often recommended for oily skin types, but anyone can use it. Neither of these are products that I see myself purchasing in the full size, though I always use them when I do end up with the mini sizes. But the next product we're going to use is the clarifying mask. Now again, I have dry, acne-prone, and a bit sensitive skin, and this is one of very few peel-off masks that I actually like. But I really want to make sure to be clear on this because it seems people don't read the directions. With this one, Sulwhasoo recommends using this after a toner and or emulsion. You don't necessarily have to use Sulwhasoo's versions of these, but it is going to make it a lot easier to remove this. It's designed to be used in this way. So you apply this to your skin, you let it sit for 30 minutes. I'll make a confession. I'll make 2 confessions, in fact. So in this clip that you are seeing, first of all, I scraped my nose. That's why I'm avoiding my nose area. I scraped it with my fingernail. You know, this is why I don't add in the clips of me dropping things. No, we cut that out. We edit that out. And secondly, I actually I yawned in the midst of the 30 minutes, more at the 25-minute mark, and it started to lift. That's how you know that you've applied it correctly. It should not be hard to remove this mask, and you should pretty much instantly see brighter, more even-looking skin. Is it necessarily a must-have? Maybe not, but do I enjoy it? Yes. And after using that mask, again, you can just follow with a moisturizer. I used the Essential Comfort Firming Cream in this routine. This is one where I don't think I would ever buy the full size. I'm also past my 20s personally. So this isn't as ideal for me as the concentrated ginseng version is at this point, at least, but I mean, it's still fine. It's still fine. Sulwhasoo did recently release a sunscreen. Unfortunately, I will not be able to review that for you as I have an allergy to one of the filters used in it, but as you all know, we have plenty of fantastic kbeauty sunscreen options and jbeauty. And my friends, that's it. That's all of the Sulwhasoo products that I still have in my collection. I realize this is a lot less of a ranking video and more of just me saying, I still love Sulwhasoo. But I think it's a brand where it's hard to be disappointed if you spend within your budget and you purchase the products that are designed for your needs. But that's it for today's video. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know if you've tried Sulwhasoo, if you've tried the new formulations. Stay tuned for more re-reviews. We have Drunk Elephant coming up next, and I'm scared but excited. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.